guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be cleaning out the microwave. We're going to take a trip to Walmart, wash our car. We're going to come home, try the animals' clothes on, and then we're going to clean out the pool. So if that's something you'd like to see, then stick around.
You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight.
This microwave was pretty gross. The orange stuff on the glass turntable was actually orange icing from cinnamon rolls. I had put the icing in the microwave. I meant to do it just for a few seconds to soften it just so I could pour on the cinnamon rolls, and I left it in there too long. When I opened the microwave, it had overflowed everywhere, and I didn't clean it out immediately. I just left it, and then we cooked and cooked and cooked on top of it, and it was like concrete. It was so hard to get off.
Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, let's go out. When I see you.
And here I was just giving the outside a good wipe down after I cleaned the inside. And then you're fixing to see me scrape all of the icing off the turntable, the glass part. Normally I would just put this in the dishwasher and run it through, but I didn't think the dishwasher would touch this. But actually after I started chipping it off, it started melting with the hot water and just going down the drain. So I could have just ran hot water over that and it would have melted it off.
Who knows what you think about me? And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what I could have done better. Baby, I really tried the best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I've played my part for nothing, and I did it all for you, for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right now. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could.
And here you'll see me just chipping away the concrete. That's what it felt like. But yeah, it came off. Like I said earlier, I could have just sprayed it with hot water and it would have melted off, but I like to do things the hard way around here.
No one can be perfect. It was just one kiss, but that don't justify it. I know what I did was wrong, but it's like I did it just to spite you, because all we ever do is fight. Oh, and I really think it's time we say goodbye. Baby, I'm too bad.
And here Allison had came to show me something on her phone. I think it was a TikTok maybe, but she didn't know I was filming, so she kind of stepped to the side to try to hide herself, and I was like, no, just come on, it's fine. Show me. So then I told her to show you all too. So I thought that was pretty cute.
All behind. It hasn't always been like this. Remember when we were in love? were always there for me, and we could talk for hours.
I always have the hardest time lining this glass up with the little notches. I don't know what's so hard about it, but it took me forever to figure it out. I even cropped some of it out. It took me so long to put this thing back in, but I finally got it.
Baby, I'm too fed up with us.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gone.
So we initially came to Walmart to find some blinds for the garage, and we got everything but blinds for the garage. But while I was in there, I was going to show you a few things. Walmart has really stepped up on the fall things and the decor. It was so cute. They had the cutest little fall section. So I was just going to throw that in there and show you all a few things that they had there.
Let go floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face that another day. We go bottoms up. So shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go.
But I thought this stuff was so cute. It was giving me some Hobby Lobby vibes. I hadn't looked at Walmart in forever for things like this. Walmart's just not my place to shop. I would rather go to Food City or the Dollar General or anywhere but Walmart. I think it's just the crowd that gets on my nerves. But I was walking through here and I thought they had the cutest little things. So I thought I would show you guys some of that. And I love those pumpkins. I don't know if you could put like a little light in it, but I thought those were so cute. And this little truck with flowers, that was my favorite. It almost came home with me. But how cute is that? I think that is adorable.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow.
And if you know us, you know we're animal crazy. We have 3 cats and a dog. We have a snake that lingers on the outside. But these Halloween costumes were so cute. We actually bought Flash a little dinosaur outfit for Halloween the other day. But they had some little things for cats too. It was so cute. So you know Heather had to buy the little kitten a shirt. 2 shirts actually. But it was so cute. You'll see him try it on later.
Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. So call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo. So tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't.
And here I am pulling down a little cat house. I thought it was so cute. Just a place for them to go and feel safe and hide and sleep. But we were checking that out. I had found one the other day and it was a lot cuter than this one, but we had to check it out. And here's just some little hats and things for animals for Halloween, and they were so cute. So I thought I'd show you guys that just in case you were looking for something like that for your pet for Halloween.
Sing like, firefighters. You got me dancing in your store. I'm looking like a breeze.
And with packing my kids' lunch for school, I'm such a sucker for these little things. But I think they're so cute, just the little divider plates. And this one had a spoon. I think it was 3 sections and a little spoon on the lid. So I thought that was pretty neat. But yeah, I love those little things. It just makes packing lunch easier, I think. It gives you different places to put different things, just different options. And I've been eyeing these little lunch container things for a while. I can't remember the name of them. But I've seen them on YouTube, and I thought they were so neat because they seal. So when you shut the lid, they seal each compartment off. So if you put ranch or something like that in there, it's not going to spill out into the other compartment. But I just think that was super cool. If it had been a girl themed or girl color, I might would have got it. But it may be a little babyish, a little too young for Allison. But if you have a younger kid that you pack lunch for, I think this would be super neat.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to wait.
Show them your new collar. Oh, it's pretty. It's a pretty collar. Chippy, you got a shirt. What's it say? Good at naps. Huh? Where is it? Your remote or your whole thing? It's up there somewhere.
What do you think about it? 1 foot.
Oh my God.
Hang on. You look like you got a problem going on, brother.
Chip, is she killing you? It's okay.
You know the house with the cat door and the garage?
Hang on, buddy.
The
Just
dog
gonna-
door? On the garage door?
No.
It's the brick
Come
one
here.
before, like, one line in the corner. My friend was there.
Put clothes on Flash. His pajamas are clean. He's better with clothes. What's he doing, pretty boy? He just needs to get out. Oh my gosh, you're so handsome. Oh, hold him up. So cute. You're so cute in your shirt. You like it?
He ain't going crazy like Opie used
Put him down, see if he'll walk in it.
Where's his costume? Glasses.
in the drawer because he was eating it last night. Go back to the little one.
I know.
Are you going to be dramatic like Opie?
Get up, walk.
Come here, Mr. Dramatic. Come here, Mr.
He
Dramatic.
laid down like he was playing dead.
Ew, I just touched it.
Sounds-
Ew.
Flash! Flash!
Hold on.
He's pulling his ears out the front.
Let me get your ear. He is like.
Flash! Hey! Flash, you like it? Are you a dinosaur? We got cats, dogs, dinosaurs, snakes. Come here.
Cowboys.
Come here. Oh my gosh, look at his face. Are you gonna play dead too? Gosh. Move your hand. Flash. Flash. You want a treat? You want a treat?
Shake.
Huh?
You done eating?
Chip. Hey, buddy. So we love this little wooden hanger table thing. It had to come home with us, but I just thought that was so cute to hang and put things on, maybe in a corner somewhere. We may end up putting it in Kennedy's room because we're not sure. When we got home, our ceilings are vaulted, and I thought, oh, that's just not a real good place to hang something. We don't really have a spot for it. So Kennedy was like, you can put it in my room. And I was like, okay, well, maybe we'll do that. So this may be hers, but I just thought it was really cute.
Every day is something new. If I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking...
So we haven't paid this pool any attention since Kennedy's birthday, and that was the 1st of August. So it's been a few weeks since we've done anything to it, and I thought about closing it. We thought about just not doing anything to it, but it's still hot. It's still hot for a while here in Tennessee. It stays warm up until like the end of September, 1st of October. And when I got in to vacuum this, I just think it's easier since we don't have a deck all the way around it. But the water was so warm. So I thought we would keep it open for a while. I don't know if the kids will go out and swim in it or not, but the option's there, because I know as soon as we close this pool down, they're going to wish we hadn't and we would want in it. So we just went ahead and vacuumed this out, and we added chemicals at the end, so it should be good for a while.
No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and...
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hip.
I've always just got in the pool to vacuum it. The pool at our old house, I would do the same with it. I would just get in, and what I do is I vacuum a little spot to stand in, and then I will just step where I've already vacuumed, and I just do it real gently so that I don't stir anything up off the bottom. But I just think it's so much easier to get in and do it like that.
Tonight, let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit while we go for more. We can shine, shine a little tonight, shine a little tonight.
we just threw the camera up in the window so you could see the difference where I vacuum. And I guess it's kind of like doing my floors. I just love to vacuum or mop or whatever. And this is kind of the same way. I actually enjoy it. But thanks so much for hanging out with us today. And if you don't care, like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.